Hello everyone. Can you guess where I am? I'm in an elevator. Have you ever noticed the signs of floor designators marked on the elevator doors? Suppose I need to go to the second floor above the ground level, for which I have to press the button labelled 2. Whereas, if I need to go to the second floor below the ground level, I have to press the button labelled -2. Thus, we observe that the floors above the ground are represented by a positive sign, whereas the floors below the ground floor are represented by a negative sign. This shows that the signs of the numbers are changed on changing the direction. Let me explain to you further. Let's consider an equation 12p minus 5 is equal to 25. Here, 5 is on the left hand side of the equation. And what is the sign of 5? That's minus. So, on moving 5 from the left hand side to the right hand side, the sign of 5 will change from minus to plus. Hence, we can write the equation as 12p is equal to 25 plus 5. On adding 25 and 5, RHS will become 30. Now the equation will be 12p is equal to 30. Thus, to derive the value of the variable p, we will be dividing both sides by 12. So, we get p as 30 divided by 12, which is equal to 5 upon 2. This method is called transposition method. Changing the side of a number is called transposing. It is important to note that while transposing a number, we change its sign. Let's solve one more equation using the same method. Consider an equation -2 in bracket x plus 3 is equal to 8. Let us open the brackets first. The equation will then be equal to -2x minus 6 is equal to 8. Now, let's interchange the sides of -2x and 8. Thus, the equation can be written as -8 minus 6 equals 2x. So, on simplifying the left hand side, we get -14, which is equal to 2x. Now, to find the variable x, we will divide both sides of the equation by 2. Therefore, x is equal to -7. I hope you will be able to answer this question now. I hope you have guessed it right. We were solving an equation until now. But do you know that you can also form an equation from the solution? Yes, you heard it right. We can obtain an equation from the solution. For example, let us consider x is equal to 3. Now, let us multiply both sides by 5. Then, x is equal to 3 can be written as 5x is equal to 15. Now, let's add 2 to both sides. The equation can then be written as 5x plus 2 is equal to 15 plus 2, which is further equal to 5x plus 2 is equal to 17. Thus, in this way, we are following the reverse path. That is, instead of solving an equation, we are forming an equation from the solution. So, we can say that given an equation, we can get one solution. But given a solution, we can make many equations. Confused? Okay, let's consider one example. If x is equal to -2, we can form many equations. But from an equation, say 2x plus 8 is equal to 12, we can find out only one value of x. Now, I am sure you will be able to answer this question. I hope you have guessed it right. So, let's summarize what we have discussed. Transposing means moving to the other side. Transposition of a number has the same effect as adding same number to both sides of the equation. When a number is transposed from one side of the equation to the other side, then its sign is changed. A given equation has one solution, but for a given solution, there will be many equations.